everyone, welcome to V2V channel. First of all, thanks being here for my YouTube channel. See, so far already completed some quant and reasoning topics. So those information available at our channel playlist. So you can check it out our channel playlist. You can get the each and every information related for all the topics what we are already completed.
So in this video, I'm going to discussing about one more linear arrangement question. See, who are new to this video, first of all go and watch my previous videos related for linear arrangement. So in those videos, we already completed a basic concept and some questions regarding the linear arrangement. Then we'll start our session. See, so 7 persons. So those 7 persons are J, K, L, M, N, Y, Z. These are the 7 persons. So I just indicated 7 positions. I will go to one more possibility. Take it 2 possibilities while we starting any question. Yes, so that is a better way. Then see, some of them facing north and some are facing south. The following information known about them. So first information, J sits third to the right of Y. J sits third to the right of Y. First right, second right, third right. J sits third to the right of Y. So that is the first information. And who is second right of M? Y is the, who is means that can be indicated previous person. Means Y is second right of M. And Y faces north. So we can get Y can be faces north. And J and M faces different directions. See, J and M faces different directions. Means one facing north means other facing south. And M sits at an end. So we get the first key point. M sits at an end. M here, M here. And Y is the second right of M. If we required second right means definitely this person facing south and this is Y. And this person facing north and this is the position for Y. And we already know that Y facing north. So Y facing north. So we get the first information. So next one. N is second right of J. So N is second right of, N is second right of J. So N is the second right of J. So we don't know that J. But we have a first information says that, see, J is the third right of Y. So here there is a no right position. So we can eliminate the first possibility. Why? Because we have only 2 rights but we require third right. So we know that Y facing north. So exactly third right means this is the position we can occupy with a J. So this is the position for J. And JC. So we required N is the second right of J. So if J assume as a north direction, there is a no right position. That's why I can confirm that J is facing south. If J facing south, exactly second right position related for N. So we get confirm that N can be sits here. And that K or L sits at an end L. So K or L sits not at any ends. That is the one more information. And K is second to the right of N. So K is second right of N. K is the second right of N. K is the second right of N. So N we don't know the direction, but see, second right means if assume that if this person facing north and this is the position of exactly K, but we already occupy with J. That's why, so we can confirm that N was facing south. If N was facing south and exactly second right position indicated as a K, so we can confirm K here. Next one. And no 3 persons sitting consecutive positions facing same direction. Means if you consider as a 3 position, these 3 positions are not related for same direction. Means these 3 persons are not related for south or north direction. That is the meaning of that point. So the points once again see, no 3 persons sitting in a consecutive positions faces same direction. So they are not facing same direction. See, we need to confirm 2 more persons. See, they already mentioned that K and L not sits at any end. So here L, we already confirmed K. So we in this position we are not go with the L. So definitely L can be occupied this position. And left with a one person that is related for Z. Then see, we need to confirm K, L, Z directions. They already mentioned that no 3 consecutive position facing same direction. Means see, so this person facing north and this person facing north. Definitely this person facing south. And then see, this person south, definitely this person north. And finally we have, see, north, south, definitely this person facing in a north direction. Okay, let's see the questions. See question number 1. How many persons sit between K and L? between K and L there are two persons. So question number 1, there is a two persons between them. Next one, who sits second to the left of K? See, second left of K means, see, these person facing south, left means this is first left and second left. So second left exactly indicated N. Then what is the ratio of number of persons who are facing north and number of facing south? So north to the south ratio we require. See, north means 1, 2, 3, 4. So north 4 members, definitely south is a 3 members. So the ratio between north facing and south facing is a 4:3. So, and these are the questions related for these particular arrangement. Thank you.